What's up, y'all? It's T with Arizona Riders Club. Out here at the auction, man. Another day, another fun-filled day, checking out some vehicles. I'm in this new, not new, but used Land Rover. Looks very clean, peanut butter guts, but some reason they've got the keys locked to the steering wheel. And I can't get it started, so I'm gonna get the guy over here to take a look at it. But a little bit old school. I believe it's 09, 08, something like that. But yeah, sunroof, peanut butter guts all through it. Interior looks immaculate, man. Definitely needs a detail, but outside of that, you know, everything is fresh and in charge. So just wanted to check in with you guys, see how you guys are doing. It is a beautiful day in sunny Arizona. I'm going to go jump in. Actually, first, we're going to get this guy in here so I can get this started, check it out. But I'll bring some more cars to you and let you know how it's looking. So, you know, signing out. It is your man T with Arizona Riders Club, and we always want you to ride with us, right? That's right.